Which graph represents a line that is parallel to the graph of the equation y equals negative 4/5 x minus 2? If we look at the graph of y equals negative 4/5 x minus 2, we can see that that is a line that is slanted downhill because the slope is negative, and we want a line that is parallel to that. So we can eliminate B and D. We know that lines that are parallel to each other have the same slope. So I need to find a line which also has a slope of negative 4/5. So when I count my slope, will this go down 4 and over 5? Option A does have a slope of negative 4/5, so lines that are parallel to each other have equal slopes, so the correct answer is A. Question 2. Which best describes the effect on the x-intercept of the graph of f of x equals 3/4 x minus 3 if the y-intercept is increased by 6? So to look at the original graph, we'll be looking at 3/4 x minus 3. That shows us the original line. The question says that we want to increase the y-intercept by 6. This being the y-intercept, when that increases by 6, we'll be looking at f of x equals 3/4 x plus 3. And now I see my second line. The x-intercept remains the same. This was the x-intercept of our first line. This is the x-intercept of our second line. They are not the same. The x-intercept becomes negative, and the new line is parallel to the original line. The original x-intercept was positive. The new x-intercept did become negative. The slopes indeed were the same, so the lines are parallel, so the correct answer is B. I would not want C because I can see by looking at my two lines that the x-intercepts were not the same. And option D is true that the x-intercept becomes negative, but is not true that these two lines intersect. Indeed, B is the correct answer.